A lot of people have been asking me to put out an iPhone slash Apple App Store apps, and I think I might have found one that is worth your time. And it's a lot like the app bittycoon, where you can watch one ad for 2 hours, and you can just stack this as long as possible. And if you watch 12 ads, that's 24 hours, and that'll earn you about 12.25 sats per day. And I've only been using it for a few days, but you can see here I earn about a half a sat an hour, 24 hours a day. Just did the math real quick. So at the end of the day, it's going to be a little over 1 sat per ad watched. And it doesn't sound like a lot, but compared to most of these cloud mining apps, it's actually one of the best free options out there. And there is a purchase option. But with bittycoon, you only earn about 1/3 the amount of sats that you would get had you just bought Bitcoin outright. So this is very risky. So let's go over withdrawals real quick. Withdrawals are exactly the same as bittycoon, where it's a 790 sat fee. Now this is pretty high. So in my opinion, and I'm going to do it right away just because I want to show it off for the channel, but if you're going to withdraw, wait a while. The longer you wait, the less of a percentage the withdrawal fee will be. And something very important to point out is this is based on the BNB Smart Chain BEP20. So like in my case, I'll use a trust wallet. And I have to find Bitcoin that's pegged by BEP20 under the BNB Smart Chain network. And I know a lot of people are just going to send it to their Bitcoin network and they'll never receive their Bitcoin. But as soon as I do hit that withdrawal minimum, I'll make a withdrawal. And if it goes through, I'll do a tutorial on that. And if it doesn't, I'll let you know that it doesn't work and it's not going to be worth your time. If you want a free and easy way to support the channel, please use the referral code that you see on the screen. It's 58680975. You'll get a free miner contract and it'll give me a little bit of Bitcoin. Get these videos out a little bit quicker. And that's the case with most of these early reviews. If I get some referral codes, I'm able to make a withdrawal quicker and we can find out whether this is actually worth our time. And if you have any problems with the app, there's a feedback button. We'll just send you straight to their email. And that's pretty much it for the early review. We needed more iPhone apps, more Apple apps, and at least this gives us another option. And like I said before, as soon as I'm able to get to that withdrawal minimum, I'll make that video and put it out as soon as I can. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. I do my best to find the best Bitcoin cloud mining apps and break them down as well as I can. And as I said before, if you want a free and easy way to support the channel, please use my referral code that you see on the screen. All you have to do is click that little button that says mine free for 2 hours, put my code in, gives me a little bit of Bitcoin, and the next video will be out a little faster. And if you feel like you get value from these videos, I have memberships available for 99 cents a month. You get these videos out a little bit quicker. I don't take any direct sponsorships from any of these cloud mining apps, so I can make these as unbiased as possible. So just know that when you do buy a membership, it really does make my day, and I truly appreciate it. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you from the clouds.